Hey, 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 traders, and welcome back. I'm going to do a little review. It has been one heck of a week, shall we say. Very exciting, very interesting, lots of things going on. Quickly, going to look at the broader markets. I have been short this broader market for, I shouted it out on StockTwits a while ago. Um, and finally, that trade is working out really well. I would have really loved to see some follow through here on this market. However, my first target is going to be probably down here at 239, 240-ish. That's what I'm looking for in that trade. Now, I want to talk about this because it has been crazy out there. I mean, you have um, we have the POTUS. Oh, I pronounced that right. The POTUS, President of the United States, tweeting up a storm. um, yeah, well, it's just another day. Let's talk about healthcare and let's talk about nuclear genocide. Uh, and just retweeting the U.S. Pacific Command here. Bombers at Guam stand fully ready to fight tonight mission. I love that. Military solutions are fully locked and loaded should North Korea act unwisely. Hope Kim Jong-un will find another path. So it's been a crazy week. Now, as those of you that know anything about the markets, this has really nothing to do with the current drop has nothing to do with really the situation that's been going on in North Korea. This situation has been going on for 7 years now. Yes, they do have nuclear weapons, but really, this market is just really overbaked, and it is due for a little correction right now, and I've been shouting it out since this time right here. So I do think we're going to get this liquidity down here, 239.83 on the QQQ. I'm looking for a nice liquidity run down here, 136.82, and that's what I'm looking for the rest of the week. I expect for the remainder of the month to be continually selling off. The media is going to make a big deal about it, that it has to do with Trump and North Korea. And yes, I'm not saying that's not important, but it's not the real reason why. I mean, this market has gone ballistic when similar events have happened. It's selling off right now because the fundamentals are weakening. And those are some of the things that I teach and show you guys how you can take advantage of that. Now, turning back to the charts, I've had a few trades. The RL trade, it's coming all the way back. That I have a feeling this trade, if I hold it until expiry on these options, we're going to end up making some money on that trade. That's why we bought the 30 days. I've done several videos on that, discussing that. Macy's turned out exactly the way that I thought it was going to trade. I called it out on my previous video looking for a short. I personally didn't trade it because I didn't like the structure, but it ended up being beautiful. JWN, this was the one I did trade, and that one is working out just fine. Still in that trade. Coors was another one that I actually, for those of you that are into options trading, I'm actually probably going to write a credit spread on Coors. I should have probably done it today because it's Friday, but I'm probably going to wait till Monday just because I got a bunch of other positions open. Other trades that we have been tracking and looking at that were shouted out. And if you're watching this video right now, go and see. I shouted these trades out. KSS worked out beautifully for a big win for myself and my traders in the room. And that was the one we liked the most. So we took a trade on KAS. Now, the other one that we liked, which was JWN, that one Still interested in that one. Think that one's going to get down to there. So I wanted to do a quick review of all the trades that we talked about during this week. You know, I'm not coming back and making this stuff up. Go watch and see. These videos are time stamped. I've been shouting this stuff out for a while, and it's been an absolutely brilliant week. Personally, myself, I had a $10,000 day today, and I'm looking forward to quite the remainder of the month being very positive. And like I said, just to recap, look for the spider to pick up this liquidity down here, 239.91, which would bring the QQQ hopefully down to this liquidity down here, 135.76. I look for continued selling for the rest of the month. Hope you guys enjoyed that little review, and bye for now.